Okay, so I got in my Nailboo Kit to start doing my own nail, or attempting to do my own nails at home. So I'm going to do this trial number 1. So on the directions it says to push back cuticles using the Nailboo Cuticle Pusher, shape and buff nails using the Nailboo 4-way buffer, and sanitize nails and hands thoroughly. So we're doing number 1. So got my little cuticle pusher here that came in the kit, and we're gonna push them on back. Okay. It's been forever since I have had my nails done, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully not too bad. Okay. So that's step 1. Let's see if I can get it over there. And I'm just pushing the cuticle back. Like so. Okay, and I will resume when I have finished the other side. Okay, now it's time to shape and buff the nails. So this buffer that came with it has 4 different sides to it. So here we go. Buff the nail bed. Then after I get all of these done, then I'm going to go wash my hands really good. Get those nails really filed down and smooth. And then I will resume back on once I get all of these buffed down and ready to go. Okay, nails, cuticles are pushed back and the nails are buffed. Now I'm gonna go wash them and return to get started on applying the base. Okay, so I have completely and successfully completed step 1, which was to push the cuticles back and buff out the nails and sanitize, so my hands are clean, ready to go. Step number 2 is apply a coat of base liquid to your fingernails. This is number 1, the base. It says stroke outwards towards the tip of the nail. Avoid getting liquid onto the cuticles. Important, powder will stick wherever the liquid is applied. So we want to keep it on the nail, not anywhere on the finger. Then quickly you're gonna dip it into the build powder and then brush it off. So we'll do 1 nail at a time to see how this goes. So here we go. So like I said, this is the build powder, and I'm gonna use the number 1, step 1 base. Let me open this up. Super excited. I chose to do hot pink and 1 nail black. So we're gonna do a glittery hot pink. So I am super excited to do this. Okay, so this is the base powder. Trying to get all this foil off of here. So like I said, this is the very first time for me to do this. So here it goes. Okay, base number 1, we're gonna activate it, get it going. So remember, apply it just to your fingertip. Okay, so apply it, you're gonna go down. Don't get it on your cuticle or anything else because the powder is gonna go directly on it. Make sure I have it all on my nail. Okay, so now I'm going to dip this in the base powder, like so. Set at a 45-degree angle, and then hold finger straight down and tap gently to get rid of excess powder. Lightly brush with the Nailboo brush, removing excess powder from around the nail. Okay, not sure if it's supposed to look like that. We'll see. We will see. Okay, so next it says apply another coat of the base liquid. So we're gonna go back to number 1 and we're gonna apply it back over that. Remember, stay on the nail itself. Don't get on the cuticle. Okay. And then it says, choose your color powder. Instead of doing the build powder, you're gonna repeat step 3 with the color. So, probably should have opened all of these first. And this is the pink lemonade, which is a hot pink. And it is a super hot pink color. Okay, so same thing, I'm gonna dip my nail in there. And then I'm gonna repeat step 3. Okay, get this brush. And then I'm gonna just brush away the excess. Then apply a thin coat of the activator liquid to harden the blend of the powder and allow to dry for 5 minutes. When the blend of powder and liquid has hardened, then file nails down to desired shape. Okay, so this is step 2. Okay, so now it's gonna be, okay, it's looking pretty janky, y'all. Look at that. Okay, let's see. This is gonna look probably really ghetto for my first one. Okay. It's probably gonna be another fail, but I will have to continuously practice. Okay, so it's hardening. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. And then when it is hardened, then you will file it down to the desired shape. Then you're gonna wash your hands and nails thoroughly, or use a lint-free cloth to wipe the nail surface with alcohol. It says be sure to wipe every part of the nail and cuticle. Then 7 says, apply another coat of activator and wait 5 minutes. Then after that, you're gonna apply the top coat liquid with a quick, thin stroke. You're gonna allow nails to dry for another 5 minutes and apply another thin coat and let dry. Okay. So basically you're using 1, 2, and 3 when you do it. So let's see how it goes. So it's already hardened. Let's see if I can file this down to a appropriate looking nail instead of, let's see if you can see it here. Instead of that. Okay, let's see. I don't think you can because it is pretty on there, but let's see. Hey, I'm gonna perfect this. So once I get it perfected, it's gonna be bomb looking, ladies. And it hardened up really quick. Shut it. I was gonna see if I could buff that out, but pretty sure I just did it wrong. Or at least unskilled. Okay, so it's gonna look really janky, but that's my first one. I'm gonna put the, did it say to do an activator again? I don't remember. Apply another coat of activator, then wait 5 more minutes. Which I probably won't, because I probably need to redo this one anyways, because it really does look pretty janky. So, then you would do a top coat after that. So not too bad for my take 1, but maybe I can get these perfected a little bit better, but, oh. Okay, so I am pretty much done with the first hand here. I made a really bad O on the first one, which y'all saw. It did not look very good. And so I have this thing that's supposed to help them come off. We'll see. I'm probably gonna have to soak it in acetone though. So it's got an impression on it, but you can still, it's still very janky. So I'll just put that back on there. But this one, but still not too bad for my first time and doing it at home. Definitely the thumb probably has turned out the best, but it was the last one that I did. So not too bad. I'm just gonna repeat it on this side now and fix this one, but you know, not too bad. I'm gonna finish the other side now. Okay, so here are my end results. Not too bad for my first time. Like I said, I am pretty happy with them. I had to redo this one, but like I said, not too bad. I think definitely with practice it'll get better, and I think if I do my toes, it'll be a lot better because I can use my right hand the whole time. But yeah, all in all, I'm happy with them. I just have to get a little bit more perfection at the process. So, yay! 2 thumbs up. Nailboo's pretty cool.